Alright guys, and welcome back to my channel where we review all things from Amazon to hotels to just different things. Please like and subscribe, definitely helps out the channel. But today we're going to go ahead and review this 4K body camera. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go take a look at it. Alright. Here's the actual camera itself. It's very cool. Get the battery, Type-C cable for it, different accessories depending on how you're going to use it, clip, and then to charge the batteries, as well as the user manual. So let's go and actually look at the actual camera. So I do want to point out, this is the extra battery for, which is always helpful, especially if you're doing a lot of recording. You can keep one charging while you're using the other one. But as you can see, super simple to take this off, but keeps it nice and secure. So let's go and actually power it on. You got the buttons right here.
Power on.
There we go. Boom, as you can see, ready to go. Camera is adjustable depending on if you're gonna have it here or if you're gonna be shooting it. However you're gonna be using it, you have an option for it. All right, and then one thing that I do want to point out, it already comes with 128 gigs of storage, so you don't have to go get a memory card, or it comes on with it. The one I'm probably going to use is the clip. Go ahead and put it right here. You can see exactly where it should line up to, and you're able to put this on however you like. So once you download the app Wearable, we're going to go ahead and go to our menu, which is, you just hit this M right here and it'll pull up the settings. And then you're going to want to go to Wi-Fi mode, hit on. So now you're just going to want to connect to the camera's Wi-Fi, as you can see. And then now it is connected and ready to go, so that way you're able to even see it on your phone. So now let's go and actually go outside and try it out. The setup is surprisingly simple. You'll need to download the Wearable app. Make sure your phone is connected to the camera's Wi-Fi signal. Once connected, you can live view, download videos, or adjust the settings in real time, as you can see. The app is perfect for checking your camera angle without needing someone else to help. You can download videos to your phone instantly without using any other cords or computer. Perfect if you're traveling or just reviewing footage on the go. So here's the actual footage while I am riding my electric scooter with the camera security clipped onto me. You'll notice the 4K resolution is sharp and the image doesn't bounce too aggressively even with movement. The rotating lens is a game changer. It lets you angle the camera exactly how you want it without adjusting your whole body or mounting position. And as you can see, the clip stays put through bumps, turns, high speeds, no wobble, no slipping. The camera is perfect for delivery drivers, bikers, hikers, pet owners, anyone who wants POV footage, or even creators who need wearable content without setting up a tripod. Plus, with the loop recording, it never runs out of space. It simply rewrites the old footage when the card fills up. Battery life: 2 rechargeable batteries give me around 8 hours of recording. That's more than enough for a full shift, an outdoor adventure, or content creation on the go. It also supports motion detection recording, which can be really helpful if you're using it for security, package theft prevention, or even surveillance. Finally, it's built tough, whether clipped to a backpack, mounted onto a car, or used as a dash cam. The body and clip feel solid. It doesn't feel cheap, and that gives more confidence using it in rougher conditions or while moving fast. So if you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. So if you guys are looking for a new 4K camera, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave the link down below so y'all can get yours.